Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 19 and the final Cougar Connection for the year 2019. This week, we want to take a moment and recognize our student spotlight. Our student spotlight this week is Timothy Richards. Timothy lives way out in town, and one day this week he missed the bus and he walked several miles until one of his neighbors spotted him walking and picked him up and brought him the rest of the way to school. So Mr. Fritz and I are proud of you, Timothy, for actually making the attempt to make it to school. Thank you for always demonstrating that can, will, must attitude, and we just want to take a moment and thank you for, at least attempting to come to school on that day. Our staff spotlight for this week is Mr. Brett Lawson. Mr. Lawson, as many of you know, is a co-sponsor for the Beta Club. And this week we have been doing a lot of decorating and preparing for the winter dance that is sponsored by the Beta Club. So Mr. Lawson and Ms. Ellison both have been working really hard to make sure that students have that opportunity and to get everything in order for that. So thank you, Mr. Lawson, for all that you do for SMS. If you guys don't know, Mr. Lawson is also a math teacher for the Blue Barracuda team, and he teaches 2 sections of our Algebra 1 class. So thanks, Mr. Lawson, for all you do for SMS, and the dance was amazing last night. So thank you for all your hard work for that. We also had several other really awesome things happen this week at Simons Middle School. Our Cougar Hill Farm group received the Student Impact Grant from KASA, and that grant is going to be used to help increase and improve the structures of their aquaponics operation. And we also had one of our classes here at SMS, win the Read to Succeed Challenge through Achieve 3000. That was Mr. Hollingsworth's 7th period class. And last but certainly not least, our SMS cheerleaders brought home 2 huge trophies this last weekend. They were the first place finishers in their division for the 2.5-minute routine, and they were the grand champion of their division as well. So congratulations, SMS cheerleaders. We are so proud of your accomplishments. So we have quite a few events upcoming this week. Parents, the most important thing for you guys to note is that this week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we will be benchmark testing. Monday is reading, Tuesday is math. Wednesday, 7th graders, you will take social studies and science, and 8th graders, you will complete on demand on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, we will have the final piece of our benchmark assessment for 8th grade, which is the science assessment. Also on Monday, we have a site-based council meeting at SMS. It's going to be in the conference room starting at 3:45. We also have boys basketball at Bath County on Monday night. On Wednesday, staff, don't forget we're having our ornament exchange after school, and we're also going to have your staff lunch for you on Wednesday. On Thursday, boys basketball, you guys are at Elliott County, and myself, and Mr. Gasparov are actually going to take a group of students to a field trip for achieving or completing their Achieve 3000 and Alex Reward for the month of November. And then on Friday, we have a lot of activities going on. We have reward trip for one team, and then the other teams are also participating in the 9-week reward for this semester. And we also have the all-district student art show that is going on at the extension office on Friday evening from 4 to 6. Students, if you want more information about that, please see Ms. Dusing. So as we approach the final Cougar Connection of this year, not of this school year, just this year, I just want to take a moment and wish everyone a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And thank you guys for all of your hard work and dedication. And that's not just the thank you to the students or to the staff, but also to the parents and the community members who support Simons Middle School. And we are looking forward to an amazing 2020. So I will see all of you guys back. There will be a Cougar Connection right before we come back from, right before we come back from Christmas break. Our date of return from Christmas break is January the 6th. So we will see everyone back here on January the 6th. Have an amazing New Year and a Merry Christmas.